Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are jazzing up some thrift store pieces with the new Stick and Style stencils from Redesign with Prima. These come on a roll, 15 yards of sticky stencils that you can use on curved surfaces. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over some thrift store pieces. Make sure to check out the new Stick and Style stencils from Redesign with Prima. I'll leave a link in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.